Well, according to a couple people here at the station and a couple people in the 4 states, there's a Super Bowl on Sunday, and the Chiefs, of course, are playing in it again. And so this morning, we're fortunate enough to be joined by somebody who was the official in many Chiefs games and in games for all the teams in the NFL, Mr. Larry Nemers. And Larry, I'm very happy to be able to talk to you about this because you were an official in 3 separate Super Bowls. Can you just describe what it's like to be officiating a game like that? It's got to be unbelievable.
Jesse, you're right. It's an event, and because it started yesterday. It's a week-long celebration, and I would urge any football fan, if you can ever get to a Super Bowl game, please get there early and enjoy the experience of the whole week, because I'm telling you, they take over the whole town. It's just tremendous. My sons still talk about going to the Super Bowl and all the festivities and activities and things like this. You stop and think of how many millions of people are going to watch it on TV, because I think the stadium is only going to seat, 24,000.
Right. Yeah.
And that's a big stadium.
You know, something that you and I were briefly talking about, Sunday's game will also include the first female official to be in a Super Bowl matchup. And along with that, the head referee is someone you worked with directly as a line judge for 9 years. Is that correct?
Yes. Carl Cheffers is a really, really fine official. He was my side judge on our crew for 9 years. His first 9 years, he was on my crew as a side judge. His dad, he comes from a really good background. His dad was a Pac-10 official. And then, so Carl followed his dad to a lot of games on the West Coast, UCLA, Southern Cal, Oregon, et cetera, et cetera. Yeah. And so he's got this really good blood in him, and he's an outstanding official and an even better person. Dino Paganelli is the back judge in this game, and he comes from a family of officials. His dad was the head of all the officials in NFL Europe. He's got 2 older brothers that are officials in the National Football League. All have worked Super Bowls. So it'll be fun to follow guys that have been on my crew that are working the game. That's always a treat.
Well, it sounds like the Chiefs are in good hands on Sunday. So my last question for you is heads or tails?
You know what? I'm going to root for the Chiefs. I'm a Chicago Bears fan, but having moved to Missouri 26 years ago, my wife is from here. The Chiefs have grown on me, so now they're my number 2 team.
We'll take it. We're happy to have you. No, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us, Larry. We really appreciate it, and thank you for looking out for the Chiefs all those years and looking out for the game's integrity. I know officiating is the kind of thing that unless people are unhappy, it often goes unnoticed. But please know we greatly appreciate.
Jesse, that's what we always aimed at doing, is walking off the field at the end of the game and not having been noticed. That's good. Jesse, I enjoyed it too. Thank you very much.
Thanks so much. We'll have our full conversation with Larry on our website at koamnewsnow.com. Just go to our morning show page, and Chiefs play on Sunday. Sounds like they're in good hands. We'll be right back after this.